Hello, my friends. Welcome to Bunnytales. Today we're going to learn all about the sight word help. The word is help. H-E-L-P. Help. Let's practice writing the word help together. First, we write the H. Then we write the E. Then we write the L. Then we write the P. Good job! Now we're going to read a sight word story all about the word help. The story is called I Can Help. I help Mom wash the cups. Let's read it together. I help Mom wash the cups. Now you read it. Fantastic! I help my dad wash the car. Let's read it together. I help my dad wash the car. Now you read it. Great job! I help Grandma pick apples. Let's read it together. I help Grandma pick apples. Now you read it. Fantastic! I help Grandpa plant flowers. Let's read it together. I help Grandpa plant flowers. Now you read it. Amazing! I help my neighbor carry bags. Let's read it together. I help my neighbor carry bags. Now you read it. Amazing! I help my cat find her toy. Let's read it together. I help my cat find her toy. Now you read it. Great job! I help my friend pick up blocks. Let's read it together. I help my friend pick up blocks. Now you read it. Amazing! I like to help. Let's read it together. I like to help. Now you read it. Fantastic! I hope you enjoyed learning all about the sight word help with me. Please subscribe to Bunnytales so I can make more fun videos. Thank you!